Here's a tech tip for any of you replacing the turbo on the 2-liter Ford Escapes. This video is specifically for the all-wheel drive models. Getting the turbo out is not the same as the labor on the 2-wheel drive models, and that's because of the all-wheel drive, obviously. Where this PTU turns out and comes to the rear of the car, you won't be able to pull the turbo straight down like you might on other models. To avoid wasting time pulling the PTU, pull that right CV axle out, and that'll give you the space you need. CV axle is held on by a 3-bolt bracket to the engine block. Obviously the CV nut out on the hub. And with that axle out, you should be able to pull the turbo out the bottom.